How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Single Section Sunday, where every Sunday I showcase a particular single section model that we have available here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, it goes by the name of the Oak Creek Armstrong 2.0. Now, a few weeks back, I released an Armstrong video that was backed by rave reviews. I got calls, emails, texts asking about that home. And literally, I posted it one week and it was sold and delivering the following week. So that shows you how well you guys liked it. So what we've done here is we've come back even better than before. The first Armstrong was a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We've come back and added 3 bedrooms, 2-bath, but you still get the beautiful characteristics inside and out. We've made a few changes for you as well. But this home, exactly as you see it, is an 18-wide model and is on sale right now for $85,000. Exactly as you see it, it's for $85K, guys. And it all starts right here in the main living area. You can see you got plenty of space here for a couch. You can do a love seat couch, you can do a recliner, couple sectionals, whatever you want. The options are endless. What we've done, as well as we've added an Gale Force blue accent wall to your living room and dining room that you'll see that wraps around. But you got a large space here for your TV with the real eye catcher, and it's going to be taking a lot of focus off of your TV. It's going to be these beautiful picture windows that you see right here. We've got triple picture windows, triple transom windows up above, bringing in all tons of natural light. And what that does, it looks great from the inside, it looks great from the outside, and it is a perfect feature to add to this Armstrong 2.0. And again, you got even more space over here. I just want to point out the little things and show you little decor goes a long way, so you can turn this little corner to anything you like. But let's take it on to the corner of the home that is the guest side. And as we walk, notice these beautiful plank floors in this home that adds a beautiful characteristic. Got the window right there, and then we'll go right into the guest bedroom. Now this is a perfect size for an office. It could be a small children's room. You can fit a full-size bed easily in here. We've got the window bringing the natural light. We've got the modern style ceiling fans that are made by and provided by Oak Creek. And then see the closet, it's a little deep right there, so perfect for a small child, or like I said, for an office to use as storage. You follow me on back, and you'll see additional storage space here. We went with the 6-door pantry that's built in right here, easily for additional towels, anything that you need. And then we've got the guest bedroom here, the guest bedroom number 2, that is a little bit larger. You can actually fit a queen size bed in here with ease. Again, another window bringing in the natural light. Then another closet here with a different setup. This closet's more long, so you got more hanging space. And then we'll take it into the guest bathroom. And you'll see there's even more space in here for you and more storage space. So we're giving you plenty of drawers, cabinets. We went with the tub shower combo, so it's great for children. We've also got the transom window up above, bringing in natural light. And you can also see we got the commode over here with the linen over the commode for you. So you guys come on back out and watch how this Oak Creek Armstrong 2.0 opens up. So you see we walk back through and look at this natural light. See how it opens up for you? And you got so much space here. And again, like I said, we went with the Gale Force blue accent going down the living room to dining room. And then the one thing that you'll notice from the original Armstrong, there was a partition wall here that we had a nice accent on it. We removed that wall and opened it up. So that's something that you can choose to do, or you can choose to remove it. But we've chose to remove it in this particular home to open up the space and just kind of have a flow from the living to dining area in your kitchen. So you see there's more than enough space for a dining room table here, nice bistro table. And here we go again with these picture windows, bringing in the light. It's perfect. So you got them all throughout this home. And you see how the kitchen opens up. Got the island here that's elevated on one side, lowered on the other. So it's great for serving, great for prep. And we went with the black appliances with the white cabinets, give it a nice pop. I mean, you'll see how the black and white is a great contrast. to this backsplash that has a little bit of pop of all the colors and even has some of that blue that we've used on our accent walls throughout the home. You can see that we have as well the canopy style vent hood and plenty of storage, plenty of countertop space going throughout your whole kitchen. Got the side-by-side refrigerator with the ice in the door, and it goes right over here into your laundry area. So you have plenty of laundry space, and you have your exterior door, your rear door here as well. So you can come right in, got your wash machine and dryer area there. You can put a freezer in here if you like, everything that you need, but then it opens up into your master. So you come back here, and boom, guys, here we go again, adding another clerestory windows up top, bringing in the natural light, 2 windows down below. Look how large this is in here, guys. So much space for you, easily accommodating a king-size bed. And then you are not sacrificed on closet space in here. So you come right through, and I mean, you pick level 1, level 2. It looks like Mario Brothers in here. You just bounce from one to the next, and you got enough storage space for whatever you like in this home. And then it doesn't stop there. Just like the original Armstrong, the Armstrong 2.0 has a beautiful bathroom that is separated here in the middle by a garden style tub. You have vanities on each side. So this is great for couples. You got your side, they have their side. So you don't have to worry about them messing up dirtying up your mirror, dirtying up yours, getting some of that beard hair, you know, when they shave on your side. Plenty of storage down below. We've got your commode right here. And again, another 6-door pantry right there for you. And then you think the tub was all? Nope, it is not. You come right through here, got another shower with the tile, got the marble finish on it, and more than enough room for anything you'd like to do on this side of the home, guys. It plenty beats anything that you are trying to do in any home. The Armstrong 2.0 has everything that you need. You can see here in the master, again, you can take in the windows, watch it as it opens up. This is my favorite thing to do, is just walk from one end to another, just so you can see when you come out to the main area how everything is so open for you. And remember, guys, this home is an 18 wide, so it's 18 in width, and it's on sale right now for $85,000. Guys, everything you see is what you get for $85K. And I want to thank you for tuning in to another Single Section Sunday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos. Let me know how I'm doing, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.